Welcome back, and today I got some squishies, and I'm so excited.
The what?
He got my squishies.
You got a sheet.
So we got them from Amazon. Okay, I need scissors. I hope this is it. I really do hope. I'm pretty sure it is. I really hope it is. Please be it. I really. I'm pushing this. Oh my god. Okay. They're squishies. They're squishies. Oh my gosh. Look at the packaging. It's so cute. Oh, they're so warm. This is the packaging. It's actually really cute. So, yeah. Look at it. Mommy. Look at the packaging. It's so pretty. Okay, never mind.
Let me see that.
I'm making my video.
Sorry.
Okay. We'll grab, oh my gosh. We'll grab one at a time. So first one is a popcorn. Let's squish it. What the heck? It's so soft. It's so soft. It's like super soft. And the packaging on this is just like a bag. Okay, let's take it out. The packaging. Oh, it's smooth. It's so smooth. It's like so smooth. Oh my gosh, it's really soft. This is like my softest squishy now. Literally. Okay, let's do these, oh my gosh, there's, oh, look at the little card. And it says, "Dear customer, I'm glad you like our product. I hope you are happy to use. Have fun every day." Woo. Okay, you know what, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, and then we got these two like really small donuts.
Yeah, pull out some more meat. Get it?
Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have two little donuts. We have this one, a pink donut, and then we have this one, which is really soft. This one's kind of hard, but whatever. Let me take them out. Don't step on my squishy. Ooh, it's so textured.
Yeah, I got another. He stopped right here, but he already gave us stuff.
Well, you know how he did it? He like put his window towards our way and then grabbed it there. So maybe that's what he's doing now. Yeah, then we have this one.
There's a difference between surgical trauma and trauma from another person. Unfortunately, you can see both during this case.
Yes. Oh, this is so soft. And it's like smooth. I don't know why. I'm so good. Okay. I don't know what to do next. Let's do this cake. It looks like an American cake. It's literally an American cake. It has...
Oh, the guy's confused. He came out with another package.
He's probably going to give us the wrong stuff. This one's a soft one too.
How the front part look? Entrance. You didn't look at it? Look at the peanut allergy next to it? You never look at
Don't
it?
have my nails really?
Really?
Messed up.
How can you not look at that? filled up 2 bags of these. Long bags.
These are
Here?
so soft. Ooh. It's like real whipped cream. It's weird. It smells like grapes. It smells like, not grapes. It smells like, I mean, it doesn't smell bad. This one, oh. Ooh, they have different, they smell different. This one smells like cinnamon. This one smells like a normal squishy. This one smells like sugar. And these donuts, they smell like a normal squishy. Okay, now we have the ice cream. It's so pretty. Look how pretty this is. So, don't on the TV. And then we have this ice cream, which is as big as nice. Ooh, this one's nice. I like this one. Yeah. I like this one. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. It like air comes out.
Discover Elevate Protein Recharge Leave-In Conditioner. Our heat-protecting formula leaves hair 15 times stronger. Ingestible use Elevate revives damaged hair.
This is definitely my favorite. It's really cute. It has 2 ice creams and they each have a different flavor. And it's like pretty slow rising and it's really soft and it's like really airy because it makes a lot of air noise and it's like the best thing ever. I love air squishies. And I don't really have many of them. So, those are the squishies I got and I'm really happy about them. It's the packaging. You can put them all in here. And, you know, I really like them. So we have the card too. So, yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, I've seen this. Please be sure to give a thumbs up. Comment down below with suggestions. Bye.